Welcome to Flutter Teacher. In this session, we will learn how to use custom or external font in the project. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, we have to download the font that we want to use in the project. For this, I'm visiting a website called fonts.google.com. Now, if you want to use different website, happily you can go for that one. This website has got bunch of fonts available for you. From this website, I will select the font called Inspiration. So let's click on this Inspiration option. Then click on the button called Download Family. This will download the all font families for you. Now just click on the button called Show All. And now it's time to jump inside this folder. Now, once you got the folder, make sure that you should extract or unzip this folder. So let's click on the option called Extract All, and now click the button Extract. Now, inside this folder called Inspiration, we have got this specific font file here. Now here, select this file and click on the button called Copy, so that we have copied this specific font. Now we have to jump inside the directory where your project is present. So my project is present inside a directory called D drive. Inside this we have a folder called my apps, and hello_app is name of my project. Inside this specific folder, that is inside this application folder, we have to create a new folder called fonts here. So I will name this folder as fonts. Make sure that this folder must be present outside the leaf folder, not inside the leaf folder. Now inside this font folder, I will paste this specific font that we have copied. Let me copy name of this specific font here. Now it's time to jump inside the pubspec.ymal file. So let me open the pubspec.ymal file here. Now inside this pubspec.ymal file, we have to configure this specific font. For this, just come a little bit down in the file, and here you will find that this specific option for configuring font is by default commented. So let's uncomment these specific lines by using Ctrl/, and instead of this specific font name, we have to paste the name of font that I have copied here. Make sure that this specific line that we have written is actually the path where your font is present. Now for the family, we need to change it to family called Inspiration. So let me copy this Inspiration text here and paste this Inspiration as the name of family, and save this file. This pubspec.ymal file is a case sensitive as well as space sensitive file. So make sure that you must follow the indentation that I have followed in the project. If you want to configure multiple fonts or multiple font families, just uncomment this line, and whatever font that we have copied here, just apply the name of font here and write the name of family here. Now after modifying the pubspec.ymal file, don't forget to restart the application if it is already running. Now you can see we have a simple Flutter application here. We have the import statement, then the main function is calling the run app. Inside run app, we have the object of my app. My app is created by extending stateless widget. Inside this my app, I'm returning the object of metal app. Inside this metal app, as a whole, we have the scaffold, and for the scaffold, we have the body. And as a body of scaffold, I have written the center widget. Now for the center widget, let me pass the child in the form of text here, and I will use the text, let's say hello here, and let me pass some style. For this we have to use the property called style here. So I will use style, and for this style we have to use the object of text style. Let me change the font size a little bit. So I will use, let's say, a font size of 40 pixel, and let's save the code and look at the change on the screen. Now this is what the default font that we are getting for this hello. Now instead of this default font, I want to use the font that we have customized and that we have downloaded. For this, we have to use option called font family and simply paste the name of font here inside a single quote. Save this code and look at the changes. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next video. If you really like the way I'm explaining the concept, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button to get my latest videos.